Hello everyone, this is a short video on the learning opportunities that are out there in AI space, and this is Ramesh Dontha with the AI Entrepreneurs newsletter and the YouTube channel and the community that we're building around jobs, training courses, and the information that we could use. So this one is about the kind of courses that are out there that you could take advantage of. So number one is a beginner one, Introduction to AWS AI Factories. So if somebody wants to learn more about AWS ecosystem, so this is the course. So learn how to design and operationalize end-to-end AI systems on AWS, covering orchestration patterns and scalable AI workflows, right? So there are jobs out there that are specifically asking for each of the ecosystem, and this course will help you get there about AWS. The next one is the intermediate level course, Multi-AI Agent Systems with Crew AI. So this is to learn about building and coordinating multiple AI agents to collaborate on complex tasks using the Crew AI framework, right? So there are frameworks that are happening in different ecosystems. This is about the Crew AI framework. And again, this is to develop, build and coordinate multiple AI agents, right? So we talked about AI agents a lot, and then this one is about the Crew AI. Another course out there is intermediate level as well, Enhancing Agents with Autonomous Capabilities, right? Exploring how to extend and deploy autonomous agents using Microsoft AI services and real-world integration patterns. This is again Microsoft ecosystem. If you want to learn about enhancing agents with autonomous capabilities, so things being done on their own, this is the course for you. And the very advanced course out there is how to build an AI agent. So a practical NVIDIA learning path covering planning, reasoning, and foundational techniques for building autonomous AI agents. Again, this is provided by NVIDIA. And there's another short video that you might have seen about local AI agents using your own hardware that will be deployed there. So that's also another thing that's happening. So go ahead and look at all the short videos. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to the channel. And of course, subscribe to the newsletter to get more information like that. With that, Ramesh Dontha signing off.